Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, bottom cover, wireless WAN module, wireless LAN module, optical drive, modem module, hard disk drive, fan, keyboard, base enclosure, lid switch board, system board, display assembly, display bezel, and display panel. Removal: remove the wireless antenna cables from the routing channels on the display enclosure. Important: make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna cables for later replacement. Peel back the metallic tape that secures the wireless antenna transceivers to the display enclosure. Important: make careful note of how the wireless antenna cables route under the metallic tape for later replacement. Using a flat, non-conductive tool, carefully remove each wireless antenna transceiver from the adhesive that secures it to the display enclosure. Important: make careful note of placement of the wireless antenna transceivers for later replacement. Replacement: caution: use care when handling and installing the new antennas. Accidental bending of the antenna elements will detune the antennas and degrade notebook performance. Using the alignment tabs on the display enclosure, place the wireless antenna transceivers into position. Carefully press down on the wireless antenna transceivers to adhere them to the display enclosure. Carefully apply the metallic tape that secures the wireless antenna transceivers to the display enclosure. Route the wireless antenna cables through the routing channels in the display enclosure.